In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Trello project management. By the end, you'll know how to start from Trello's ready-made project management template and shape it into a board that actually fits the way your team works without overcomplicating things. First, head to your Trello home and click the project management template. This opens a pre-built board designed for common project flows, typically featuring lists like backlog, to-do, in progress, and done. Using the template gives you a solid structure right away, so you're not building from scratch. When the template opens, you can preview how it's organized and then create your own copy. Choose the workspace where the board should live and set the visibility that matches your needs, whether private for focused teams or workspace visible for broader collaboration. Once your copy is created, it's time to edit the template so it truly reflects your process. Start at the top by renaming the board to something clear and recognizable. Add a board description that explains how to use it, what each list means, when to move cards, and who's responsible at each stage. Clarity here prevents confusion later. Review the lists and adjust them to your workflow. If you run sprints, you might rename To Do to Sprint Backlog. If you track reviews, add a review or QA list. Keep the list sequence simple and logical from left to right, and remove any lists you won't use so the board stays clean. Now, tailor the cards. Create a few example tasks that reflect your real work. Open a card and add a checklist for actionable steps, due dates for timing, and members to set, ownership. Use labels to create a quick visual system. For instance, categories like design, development, and content, or priorities like high and low. Stick to a small, meaningful set of labels to avoid clutter. Attach relevant files, link documents, and use card covers or custom fields if you need extra structured data such as effort estimates or status notes. As your process matures, refine the template details. Define naming conventions for cards, like including the project code or a short prefix. Use descriptions to capture acceptance criteria or success definitions. If you rely on dates, consider enabling a calendar view so deadlines are easy to scan. Light automation can help too. For example, automatically moving a card to done when it's marked complete, keeping things flowing without constant manual updates. When everything looks right, keep the board tidy by archiving completed cards regularly. With the template customized and your edits in place, you've transformed a generic starting point into a clear, repeatable project management system your team can use immediately.